testing out this flat battery charger bumper booster pack, which is for the MG. I'll turn you around. This has completely died for the second time, so it's going off, but the battery is completely flat, so we know it's the 12 volt battery issue. So the first thing I need to do, because you can't get in, is I need to get out the manual key for it, which I have here. So I need to pull that out and pull off the cap. There we go. Put the key in. Open it. Now I'm going to pull the bonnet and get the bonnet opened. So here is where the battery is. So I'm going to pull that cover off. Oops. And then that clearly shows then that we have the positive and the negative. Okay, so this piece is put online. So I have here the pack pre-charged, and I am going to plug the cables into this end here. Don't turn it on or anything yet. Positive is there, so I'm going to put the negative one on first, and then I'm going to put the positive one on there. Then I'm going to turn it on. Nothing yet. Something doing wrong. Let me just check the instructions. That's the best stuff. Okay, so it didn't do anything. You just have to wait. So it has to put enough power into it to start, and the car's just pinged into life. There we go. So if I just go into the car. Okay, so the car's come on. Okay, so the whole thing is just setting itself up now because the battery's been dead. So it just goes through this whole check. I'm going to turn the aircon off. Don't want it using any excess power that it needs to. And it's just going to go through all these different menus now of everything. If I shut the door, and then it goes into ready mode. Ready mode then will start charging up the 12 volt. So if you do it on your electric car, leave it for a little while for it to sort of like put enough power into the 12 volt battery so that it makes the system skip on. So the system is on, The only issue is now if I get out of the car, if I open that door, then it's going to go out of ready, which means puts it in standby, so there's no power going to the 12-volt battery. So the other thing I want to do as well is go to the radio and change it to FM. Where isn't there? I'm sure there was an off. Maybe there isn't. Anyway, I'm going to turn that off. Right, and I'm just going to leave it. So what you have to do now is just leave the car in ready mode for about an hour. And that will charge up, because obviously there's no alternators in this. But my main thing is coming back is to this. This is the first time using it. Because we'd had the issue last week, I was like, right, I'm going to get one of these jumper packs. And if we do get the issue again, at least that we can get it going. See, that's the problem. If I sit here, as soon as you get out of the car, it goes off. So I have a trick to this. Okay, so I got a pole to go to the brake. So if I put my foot on the brake, then it goes into ready mode. So you sort of like, there's probably another way of doing it, I don't know, but that's the quickest way to, without going through the settings, is just push on the brake and it goes into ready. So that is now actively charging up to 12 volt. Leave the car keys there next to it. I don't think, no, we don't need this anymore. So I can safely turn that off. And it's put the power down to 59, so it did sap quite a bit of power from that, which is totally understandable. But my God, that actually works. First time using it. So I don't have a link or anything to this. I will put sort of like the information in the video description. I'm not going to be sponsored by this or whatever. I bought it myself. And yeah, so I'm going to leave the car like that for an hour. Actually, I'm going to take this back in and make sure it's charged up to 100. So you can also use it as a power bank. So you have two outs, and that's the in. I'm going to put this back. It's also got a light on it. If you hold it, got a nice bright light. There's certain things on it like SOS and flash or whatever. But yeah, so I'm going to put this back up to 100% and keep it in the car. Right, okay, I'll come back to you in just a second. So there we go. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Leave it for an hour. Come back and check the status of it and make sure everything is off. I'm going to push it out of the way because apparently there's been some sort of, not recall or anything, but there's been some sort of issue with the battery draining. The radio draining the battery, even though it's off, it's still on running in the background or something, I don't know. So anyway, gonna let the lease company deal with that, and they're coming to pick it up next Monday. So yeah, here we go. There's the details. I'll put in the video description, the link below, and yeah, just a quick video for you guys today. And thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe to my videos.